For rooms without central air, a window air conditioner is a great cooling solution. Follow these steps for an easy installation. Here's what you'll need. First, measure your window opening and select the model that will fit the dimensions. Before installing, make sure the window can support the weight of the AC unit. Inspect for any rot or damage and repair as needed. Air conditioners are deceptively heavy, so it's best to have a helper on hand. Start by sliding the accordion panels onto both sides of the unit, if not pre-assembled. Together, carefully lift the air conditioner and place it inside the open window, resting on the support bracket or window frame. Be sure the air conditioner is centered in the window. The bottom flange should be flush against the windowsill. Trim the provided piece of foam weather stripping to the correct length and insert between the window sashes. For stability, pull the window sash down behind the upper flange. Use screws to attach the top and bottom of the unit to the window. To keep the warm air outside, extend the accordion panels from both sides of the air conditioner and secure with screws. Finally, plug the air conditioner into an outlet and turn on the unit. Adding a window AC unit is a simple way to streamline your cooling needs throughout the warmer seasons. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.